Hello, beautiful soul. This is Nova, and I am so grateful that you're here for this meditation. Today, we're focusing on releasing tension, letting go of the stress your body and mind may be carrying, so you can return to a state of ease, openness, and freedom. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. You can sit tall with your feet grounded, or lie down if that feels better. Let your hands rest gently, and when you're ready, close your eyes. Begin by simply noticing your breath. The inhale as it enters, the exhale as it leaves. There's no need to change anything yet. Now let's invite release with each breath. Inhale gently through your nose and exhale with a soft sigh through your mouth. Again, inhale ease, exhale tension. One more time, breathing in peace, sighing out stress. Let your breath become an anchor, reminding you that letting go is always possible. We'll now move slowly through the body, inviting release one area at a time. Bring your awareness to your forehead. With your next exhale, soften the muscles there. Imagine all the little lines smoothing away. Move to your jaw. Notice if you're clenching. Inhale and exhale, letting your jaw drop slightly, releasing any tightness. Now your shoulders. Inhale, lifting them gently toward your ears. Exhale, sigh them down, letting them melt away from your neck. Bring your attention to your chest. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. Exhale slowly, letting any heaviness drift out. Shift to your belly. Notice if you're holding tightness there. Breathe in, and as you exhale, allow your stomach to soften. Down to your hips and thighs. Imagine releasing the weight of the day, letting your legs feel heavy and supported by the earth. Now your calves, ankles, and feet. Inhale gently and exhale, sending relaxation all the way down to your toes. Your whole body is softening, loosening, and opening. Now imagine with each exhale, tension is leaving your body like a mist or a smoke. See it drifting away into the air, dissolving into nothing. With each inhale, imagine drawing in fresh, clear light that fills you with ease. Exhale, release the heaviness. Inhale, inviting peace and freedom. As you rest in this openness, silently repeat these affirmations with me. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. Breathe deeply. I am open. I am open. I am open. Breathe again. I am free. I am free. I am free. Let these words settle deep into your body, becoming a part of your being. Now allow yourself to rest in silence. No effort, no holding on, just breathing and being. Notice the spaciousness within you. Notice the lightness. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders gently. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this feeling of relaxation, openness, and freedom with you into the rest of your day. Remember, each sigh, each breath is a chance to release what no longer serves you. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Namaste.